Hello students, so today we are going to solve this question which is from the topic area under curves, area under curve. And here the question is we need to find the area included by this graph, that is greatest interior of mod 3x plus 4y by 5 plus greatest interior mod of 4x minus 3y by 5 is equal to 3. So this graph is symmetrical. That means we will get this curve in all the four quadrants in x and y, negative x and negative y. So how we are going to solve it? We will take 3x plus 4 by 5 as capital X and 4x minus 3y by 5 as capital Y. Eventually it is plus only, so we can take this inside the mod also. So it is nothing but greatest integer of mod x plus greatest integer mod y is equal to 3. We can rewrite like this. So eventually our question is to draw the graph for mod x plus mod y greatest integer is equal to 3. So what we will do, we will make case 1 when this whole quantity is 0, this whole quantity is 3. So we will make some cases. For example, case 1 when greatest integer of mod x is 0 and greatest integer of mod y is 3. Second case, when this is 1 and this is 2. Third cases, when greatest integer of mod x is 3 and greatest integer of mod y is 0. Fourth case would be greatest integer of mod x as 2, greatest integer of mod y as 1. So we are only considering for x greater than equal to 0, y greater than equal to 0. So for this particular case, we are getting four cases. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So as this graph is symmetrical about all the x's and the graph would be in all the quadrants. So I'm solving only this case. This case, I'm solving only that case only. I'm solving this case only. Then we will multiply by 4 to get the answer. So our case is, first case is, this is 0 and this is 3. This is only our case. Yes. So what we took as it is capital X, it is capital Y. So what is capital X here? What did we assume? Check here. 3x plus 4y divided by 5. That has to be 0. That means 3x plus 4y is equal to 0. Okay. This is greatest integer. Okay. So greatest integer of anything is 0 when this quantity is in between 0 and 1. Only then it's possible when this quantity is in between 0 and 1. So we can say like this. When inside quantity is in between 0 and 1. Now this quantity is 3 means mod y mod capital Y is in between 3 and 4. Okay, so you need to understand this. So what is mod capital Y? What did we assume as Y? 4x minus 3y by 5. Okay, so if you solve it further, what you'll get? First solve 4x minus 3y by 5 less than equal to 4. So 4x minus 3y less than equal to 20. And solve this 4x minus 3 by 5 get an equal to 3, or 4x minus 3y get an equal to 15. I hope this is clear now. Now we will draw this graph. Now we will draw this graph. So if you see this line and this line, both are parallel to each other. Only thing different is the constant value. Okay. I hope this thing is clear. So now we will draw the graph. Now we will draw the graph. So first graph is that x1. What did we assume as x? What is our x? This. That means 3x plus 4 by 5 should be in between 0 and 1. That means if I see here, 3x plus 4y less than 5 and 3x plus 4y less than 0, greater than 0. So we will draw all these four lines. So if you see like this, the line would look like parallel lines they are. So it would look like this something. This is a square. Now, how did we get all these things? We will see. So here, this line is 4x minus 3y is equal to 20. We remove this equalities and equal to greater than and less than equal to, and we try to solve the equations. And this line is 4x minus 3y is equal to 15. This line is 3x plus 4y is equal to 0. Line passing through origin. And this line is 3x plus 4y is equal to 1. So if you find these coordinates and you try to solve this, so you will get area 1. So you will get area for 1. Area would be 1. Now we had 4 cases, right? So for case 1 only, we will have 4 subcases. We would have 4 subcases, means once we will take positive, negative, 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 like that, because modulus is there. So for one case only, we have 4 cases. So total we have 4 cases. Total we have 4 cases. So total area would be 4 into 4, 16 square units. So answer for this question is going to be 16. And also, if you want to know how did we get this, these are two parallel lines. Okay. So how do we find this? This is the distance between two parallel lines. Remember the formula C1 minus C2 mod upon under root A1 square plus A2 square plus B2 square. That formula you must remember. That only we have used here. That formula we will use for finding this distance between these two lines. For this distance, we will use these two lines, this and this. And for this distance, we will use these two lines. So you will find area as 1. Okay. This area comes under for first case. Which case? First case. Okay. So now we can take x greater than 0, y less than 0, x less than 0, y less than 0, both less than 0. So we will make 4 cases. For first case only, we have 4 conditions. Second case also we have 4 conditions. Third case also we have 4 conditions. Case 4 also we have 4 conditions. So total area is going to be same. 4 into 4. So 16 is the answer. I hope you understood this question. And for more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for your support.